Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. Today we're back working on the drift car. So got a couple things to do. Got some tow straps to put on, so I've got to rip the front bumper off. I've also got a second front seat which I've already changed on the rail for the driver's one because this one's in much better condition than the original one I had, but now they're matching. The passenger will now have a bucket seat for them to be held into. This one here, the arse end of it broke and I welded in these bars so you don't fall through, so passenger can get that. I can get my nice comfy one, which makes sense. My car, I'm in it most of the time, so that's now ready to go in the car. So I'll get this on my tripod, we'll get going. So we got that and that. I do have an FG thermo fan. Not that it was getting hot, but that FG fan should be much better than these two. So yeah, if I can swap them, I will. I just got to suss out a mount for the power steering res. I'm going to re-look at this battery mount. It will be relocated to either in the boot or somewhere in the back, but I need to wait till I save up a bit to be able to get the cable for that, because that cable is bloody expensive. And I think that's really about it. I do have new brake calipers to put on the rear because the rear left handbrake caliper keeps seizing. It's seized 3 times now, and that's what ended up making this motor seize, which it does run now. I'm just going to probably risk it at another event, see if it lasts before I get this one here finished. I got to get the turbo kit finished. I ran out of gas, so I can't weld it. So yeah, I need to get that sorted for that, and then this will be turboed. I still need like a fuel pump and everything, but anyway, I've talked long enough. You guys probably just want to see some action, so let's get this front seat back in the car. And then I'm going to rip the bumper off. I'm going to leave the passenger seat to last. That's going to take the most amount of time, so I'll probably do that off camera and then we'll just film when it's in. So yeah, let's get it set up. Alright, so driver's seat's back in. She's nice and firm, which is good. Like I said, I'll do probably the passenger one off camera. I've got to weld all that up. You guys don't just see that, but for now, let's get this front bumper off and get these tow straps. So let's get you guys set up. Let's start to take all this off. Got the bumper off. I've got these straps here, and then I just got to find a nice triple bit of skinned bit on here, and then that's what I'm going to bolt these to. So I'm going to find that and then we'll film it up when it's getting drilled in. So it's drilled in. Hold it now. Come out. Strap. Cool. That's drilled. Now get that. It's on there nicely. Find the bolt nut. Came with there. Now these are a 17 on the inside, on the nut bolt side, and a 19 on the nut side. So I'm just going to get it all nipped up. Let's see if I can get this on. Now, it didn't come with any spring washers, so I don't want this to come loose, so I'm just going to put a big amount of red Loctite, and then I found another nut that fits. I didn't have any spring washers myself that fit, so I'm just going to whack that one on. And then nick this one up, and then there we go. Let's get you guys off here. So I have one strap there, the other strap there, and that will end up coming out these fog light holes here. So I'll just cut this on the bumper that I have, and then we will be all good. So I'm going to get that cut, and then we'll come back when I'm putting the bumper on and we'll see how it looks. Got the bumper modded, now it's time to slap it on. Well, attempt to put it on. Remember last time when I did this, it was an absolute brick. But that's on. Locked into place. Alright, that's that side. Locked in, doesn't quite line up with the headlight, who cares? I'm going to do the same on this side now. that all screwed in. Alright, that bumper's not coming off anytime soon. Now, straps. Look at that, toe straps. Perfect. That's killer. Now it's got the space for the big dirty intercooler there as well, so that'll be cool. Pretty happy with that though. Not bad. So got that seat done. I didn't end up filming bolting it in because the spacing wasn't quite right and I knew I had to pull it, so I didn't want to do that on camera in case it was a prick. Luckily it wasn't too bad, but as you can see, that seat is in. You can see it's in far worse condition. It's already got a patch compared to the one I picked up, which is way better. But that's all in and bolted. Bolted in the back there. I've just left this space empty just so I can show you guys the back of that. And I'm going to get on to the battery, but I'm going to do that off camera now. So as far as I'm aware, this might be the end of this video because running out of daytime and I've got a lot to do. So if you're still here and watching, thank you, I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys next Saturday for the next video.